Vladimir Grigoryevich Baryshevsky, Russian, Belarusian, born July 1, 1940, is a Soviet and Belarusian physicist, honored scientist of the Republic of Belarus, winner of the State Prize of the Republic of Belarus. Baryshevsky was born on July 1, 1940 in Minsk. Baryshevsky received the diploma degree in physics from the Belarusian State University, BSU, in 1962. From 1962 to 1965 he pursued his PhD degree study in the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research, JINR, Dubna, Moscow region, and earned his PhD, Candidate of Sciences, degree in 1965, BSU, Minsk. In 1974 he defended his Doctor of Science dissertation at the National Research Nuclear University MEPHI, Moscow. In 1965 he started teaching at the Department of Nuclear Physics of BSU, where he holds positions of assistant professor, associate professor, and from 1977 as a full professor after obtaining state diploma of full professor of nuclear physics. In 1986, Baryshevsky established the Research Institute for Nuclear Problems of Belarusian State University, IMP, and acted as the general director of this research institute for more than 2 decades, up to 2012. Currently, he holds the positions of honorary director and principal research scientist at INP. Baryshevsky is a member of the Dissertation Council D. January 5, 02. In the B.I. Stepanov Institute of Physics of the National Academy of Sciences of the Republic of Belarus and a member of the editorial board of the International Journal of Applied Spectroscopy, Minsk. Baryshevsky is the author of 2 scientific discoveries registered in the USSR. Scientific discovery: the phenomenon of nuclear precession of neutrons. Formula of the discovery: the earlier unknown phenomenon of neutron nuclear precession was ascertained theoretically. The phenomenon consists in the fact that when neutrons pass through matter with polarized nuclei, the precession of neutrons spins about the nuclei's polarization direction and matter arises due to nuclear-neutron nucleus interaction. Authors: V.G. Baryshevsky and M.I. Podgoretsky. The priority number and date: 10-244 from April 3, 1964. Scientific discovery: the phenomenon of polarization plane rotation of hard gamma quanta. Formula of the discovery: the earlier unknown phenomenon of polarization plane rotation was ascertained for hard gamma quanta. The phenomenon consists in the fact that when gamma quanta pass through the medium with polarized electrons, their polarization plane rotates due to spin-spin interaction of the electrons and photons. Authors: V.G. Baryshevsky, V.M. Lobashev, V.L. Loboshev, A.P. Serebrov, and A.P. Smotritsky. The priority number and date: 10-360. The priority from February 12, 1965 is for theoretical justification and from July 28, 1971 is for experimental proof of the phenomenon. The application for discovery: AN 10886 from February 13, 1984. The registration date: December 22, 1988. Date of the certificate issue: June 21, 1991. Vladimir Baryshevsky pioneered research of the volume-free electron laser, a new type of the free electron laser. Major research areas: research and development of volume-free electron laser, nuclear optics of polarized media, electromagnetic processes in crystals at high energies, magnetic accumulation of explosive energy. Effects of PNT violating. Vladimir Baryshevsky is the founder and the leader of the scientific school Nuclear Optics of Polarized Media. Among his students are 6 doctors of sciences: I.D. Ferenchuk, V.V. Tykomarov, S.A. Maximenko, M.V. Korzhik, J.S. Lobko, and A. Dacia Silenko, and 23 Ph.D. holders: I.D. Ferenchuk, V.V. Tykomarov, S.A. Maximenko, M.V. Korzhik, A.S. Lobko, I. Dacia Dubovskaya, A.O. Grubich, S.V. Karapitsa, S.A. Kutin, A.V. Ivashin, A.V. Zij, I.V. Polykarpov, V.V. Rapoport, O.N. Metalitsa, O.M. Lugovskaya, L.N. Koronaya, V.I. Tkachevek, No Danayan, Latin High, A.A. Guranovic, A.A. Rumbek, E.A. Gernovich, S.V. Anischenko. Vladimir Baryshevsky is the author of more than 200 publications, including 5 monographs. V.G. Baryshevsky, Nuclear Optics of Polarized Media, Belarusian State University, Minsk, 1977, 144p in Russian. V.G. Baryshevsky, Channeling, Radiation, and reactions in crystals at high energies, Belarusian State University, Minsk, 1982, 256p in Russian. V.G. Baryshevsky, Nuclear Optics of Polarized Media, Energoatomiznet, Moscow, 1995, 320p in Russian. V.G. Baryshevsky, I.D. Ferenchuk, A.P. Ulyanekov. Parametric X-ray radiation in crystals, theory, experiment, and applications. Series, Springer Tracks in Modern Physics, Springer. 2006. V.G. Baryshevsky High Energy Nuclear Optics of Polarized Particles. World Scientific Publishing Company, 640p, 2012, ISBN 981-432-4833. Order of the Badge of Honor, 1981, USSR. Honored Scientist of the Republic of Belarus, 1996. Order of Francisc Scarina, 2001, Republic of Belarus. Belarus State Prize in Science and Technology, 2002, for long-term research quantum electrodynamics and coherent nuclear processes in the medium, quantum nuclear optics in cooperation with A.V. Berestov, S. Dacia. Kylan, E.A. Rudok, V.V. Tykomarov, and I.D. Ferenchuk. Honored Member of the BSU Staff. Certificate of Excellence from the Council of Ministers of the Republic of Belarus, 2015. Certificate of Gratitude from the President of the Republic of Belarus for long-standing scientific and pedagogical activities, significant personal contribution to education of highly qualified research personnel and implementation of the high-end technologies, 2020. References